Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time being here, welcome. I'm Kaylee Kincaid and thank you for watching my video. Today I am going to do a styling and organization of my good friend Allie's kitchen. Don't look because I actually already did it and this intro is just being filmed afterwards. But I'm going to go through the whole process and give you some tips and tricks. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. And I would love it if you hit that red subscribe button so that you can never miss any of my videos and that helps support my channel. Okay, let's get started. Allie and Graham are two of our very best friends and they just purchased this home together. Congrats again, you guys. But when you are moving into a new home and organizing everything, it can be super overwhelming, especially in the kitchen. So imagine my delight when she asked me to come over and help her figure out how to organize all of it. They actually don't have that much kitchen stuff, good on them, so it was really easy to organize. So the first step to any organization project is to make a plan. What do you use most, what makes sense in the space, and how can we organize it to where things will be closest to where they'll be used? So for their kitchen, I decided to put all of their glasses in this cabinet closest to the refrigerator so that they would be easily accessible to use right when you need them. And then we decided to put plates and bowls in the cabinet where the glasses were originally. I also moved any coffee mugs that they had to the small cabinet right above their coffee nook area right there so that those would be accessible for coffee as well and also give us some more space to display all of their glasses. I also put some miscellaneous items that they use heavily in the cabinet with the plates and the bowls because there was plenty of space in this cabinet. After I got all the glasses and plates organized, I moved the pans that they use most to cook with over here to this cabinet right by the stove. That way they're easily accessible. And the rest of the pots and pans will go underneath in this cabinet. And they had plenty of space, so I decided to store all of the pots with the lids on them so that they weren't having to dig through a pile of lids and figure out which size they were when they needed them. Next, I moved on to the utensil drawer, and she purchased some of these drawer organizers from Target, which I'll link in the description of this video. These were the perfect size for their drawers, and I separated all their utensils into knives, utensils that would be used more, and utensils that would be used less. So they have them all categorized in these 3 drawer organizers. Next, I moved on to all their cleaning supplies under the kitchen sink. I took out any general cleaners that weren't specifically for the kitchen and moved them to the laundry room because they also store a bunch of cleaners in there. And then I just organized things that were specifically for the kitchen to put back under here. I always do recommend to people to store some rags and cleaners in every bathroom and in the kitchen in your house so you're more likely to clean more often. Everyone has a junk drawer, am I right? So they had 2 extra drawer organizers that I used to put pins in one and then small items that would roll around and get easily lost in the other. I find drawer organizers are especially useful in junk drawers. After everything's organized, it's time to style. So their color scheme was neutrals with pops of orange, dark blue, red, and green from the plants. So as I was organizing everything, I found some funky cool bowls that matched this color scheme, and then I got to just dig through all of her decorations to see what we wanted to incorporate in the kitchen.
Ugh, I hate that knife thing. I want to call them.
Knife things are always like,
Fighting that.
what do I do
Where
with
is
this?
this? Where do I put this? When are you gonna use those knives? Well, now's your chance. Maybe they can go in a cabinet. Put the whole block in a cabinet. Oh, yeah.
So when I style in the kitchen, I try to think about what areas will be used the least so that I can put items there so they'll not be bumped or get super dirty all of the time. And then when I'm grouping things together to display, I try to mix and match with different colors and textures so that there is a varied design throughout everything that's on display. And in kitchens especially, I like to use functional items that are not only pretty, but also are going to be in use out on the counters. They also have two of these cutouts on the sides of their cabinets, which was a nice place to put a bunch of cute items that aren't going to be used as often, but that match the rest of the kitchen decor. Last to style was their island, and there's Allie. Hi, Allie. When I style islands, I like to leave the least amount of stuff possible out on the counter, just so that you have plenty of space and it looks more streamlined and not all cluttered. So I just took this tray and put a pot with their most used kitchen utensils, added a candle, added a plant, left that white pot to match the ones behind their kitchen sink, which ties in everything and gives the kitchen a cohesive look. And here is the finished space. Their kitchen looks completely transformed with all of their stuff in it. Before, it just had kind of a suburbia vibe, but they have a lot of really cool plants and bohemian stuff and funky stuff, so it looks so much like them now. It looks really cute, very cool, not too much going on, but just enough to make it look really nice. And all of their colors look awesome in here. Here is the plate and bowls cabinet. I think I took all of your bowls and made them decorative though. Oopsie. Here's their drawers with their silverware that was already organized and all of the pots and pans down below. Then moving on to their island, they have the junk drawer with the trash underneath, a cabinet right by the stove with their most used pans. On the other side of the stove, a drawer with their baking dishes, and below that, their mixers. Here's the kitchen utensils drawer with all of their Tupperware down below. Then all of their cleaners below the sink, and in this cabinet, their most used cleaners, dishwasher stuff, and scrubbers. Then you can just see a wide pan of all of the decor. Looks so good in here. I love their kitchen. Thanks for watching this video today, guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment in the comment section. That really helps me know what kind of videos that you guys like and want to see more of. And thanks again for watching. Happy cleaning and have a great day.